What is up, Travels with Buddy Nation? It is Monday, July 22nd, and I'm driving the big rig. I'm on the highway, and it is raining and pouring outside. Yesterday, it had been about, I think it was 97 degrees. I went for a walk. I didn't take Buddy with me, but I went for a walk, and it was about 97 degrees. Today, it says 68 on my thermometer in the truck. That's a 31 degree difference between yesterday and today. But it is raining out there, and I want to show all the viewers what it's like to drive the big rigs in the rain. What a lot of people don't realize, when it's raining like this, when you're going, you know, 35, 40 miles an hour, you don't really notice it much at all. But once you start getting above like 55, 60, 65, whoa, there goes some lightning. That's what I want to see. Once you get up around 55, 65 miles an hour, the rain, it really disrupts the visibility, because the raindrops start splashing on the windshield really hard and fast, and it makes it more difficult to see. So it seems like it's actually raining harder than it is the faster you're going. Nonetheless, it's raining pretty steady. And we did see a little bit of lightning, but it was a huge difference between today and yesterday. Yesterday was sunny and hot. Today it's just pouring, and it cooled off quite a bit. And I would like to see more of that lightning though, now that I got the camera on. It's supposed to rain tomorrow as well. But anyways, I hope everybody's having an awesome Monday night. And I'm just driving in the rain, and I was kind of hoping to catch some lightning, some good lightning videos. There was a few nights that I was driving and we got some really good lightning storms. Really, I mean, the lightning really lights up the sky at night, and I didn't have my GoPro with me. So tonight, I knew it was going to rain, and I know it's going to rain tomorrow, so I'm going to make sure I bring my GoPro with me, and maybe I can capture some of that lightning, because like I say, at night when you're driving on the road like this and you get a really good lightning storm, it's really awesome. I mean, you watch that lightning coming down, and it's spectacular. It's like watching it's like watching fireworks, you know. It's like nature's fireworks. So hopefully we'll catch some lightning tonight on the video, or tomorrow. But anyways, that's about it for now. I was going to focus on driving in this rain. So I hope everybody has an awesome evening, and hope everybody is warm and dry tonight. All right, everybody, peace out. Peace.